get a good look at them now because they're gonna be gone. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna be going right back into this box. And if you guys remember this box had these taillights in it. So we're gonna be taking those taillights off and we're gonna be putting the stock taillights back on. Because if you guys seen the video where I broke the bumper at the end, I said I was gonna change out my taillights soon. Well, the start of it, in order for me to change them out, because right now I don't want to change them out because these are still on. So the way, if I want to change them out and buy new taillights, I'm gonna have to take these off. So it motivates me to actually go and change them. Because me, I take time to do things, so I'd rather just take these off now, put the stock ones back on, so we have the stock look in the back. I was thinking of taking off the reflectors, but I don't even know yet. But these taillights are coming off and they're gonna go on Lucy's car. If you guys remember Lucy, we put ambient lights in her car and the pink interior, which I didn't show that on video, but I put the pink interior, the ambient lights and the rock lights, or the puddle lights, whatever you want to call them. We put them on her car, and now she's gonna get these taillights. So these are gonna be new to her, but old to me. But she's been saying how she wants to change her car up, and I've been wanting to change the taillights up because if you guys remember, I got these taillights all the way in 2022, dated on the box. So let's take these out. Number one is out. You just unplug this inner plug right here, unplug the reverse light, should be right here, and this should be able to come out. Oh yeah, get rid of the zip tie and do that real quick. Okay, fast forward ahead, I unscrewed this inner tail light. There's two bolts here, there's two more in here holding the tail light, and then I unscrewed the 4 bolts inside of here to remove this trim right here. So let's go pop that out. Inner portion is out. Okay, with these guys off, we're gonna go back to our stockies. Little stock taillights. Here they are, you know, with our orange incandescent bulb. But I do plan on upgrading these inner portions to Tourings at some point, because with the Tourings, when you press the brake, this also illuminates when you press the brake. So, you know, it's not the dummy light, which is just the outside portion. It's actually the whole thing. So I do plan on upgrading these if I do stick with stock taillights. If I don't stick with stock taillights, you will see another set of aftermarket taillights on the car for the year. But I do lean on doing OEM clears. What do we think? Looks a little too stock. So yeah, this is how, let me actually close the trunk fully. The keys inside. Now the trim isn't fully on, but this is how the stock tail light looks. And this is how the V4 tail lights look. Down the middle. I mean, to be honest, the V4s do look good, but I'm kind of digging the stock a little bit because it's something different with how the car sits right now. Because remember, when I put these on, this car did not look anything like this. Obviously, over the time, it fit the look, but going back to OEM is not that bad. So let's pop this side off and button this side on and put the other side on. And after this, let's transition over to Lucy, where she's gonna attempt to install it in her car. I'm obviously gonna be there assisting her, but she's gonna try to do this on her own. And this is probably like the first outside major mod she's doing to her car. So yeah, let's just unbutton this guy up, take the other side out, and then before and after. Done. And well, here is my stock taillight Honda Accord. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad. Honestly, this was like one of the first things I changed on the car, other than the reflector lights, was the tail lights. I just wanted to get rid of them at the time. You know, that was back then, but now I actually don't mind them. Okay, so let me know what you guys think of the taillights. We will see you when we go to the other house. Did you guys like the V4 taillights? Do you like the stock ones? Would you like to see these clear, or would you want to see me get a different set of aftermarket taillights? I'm leaning towards the clears, but I do want to try these aftermarket set of taillights, and most likely when I try them on, they're going to be on for a little bit, probably like a good month or maybe a few months, and then they might go on Frank's car, the other set, because I know he wanted to put those on his car if I do get those. But if I don't get those, then these most likely will be staying on, and then they're going to be cleared like in the coming months. Here in my hand lies all the tools you'll need.
I don't know.
Why not?
I can't do it.
Yes, you can. Look.
I'll record you doing it.
What are you talking about?
I'm not doing it. I can't do it.
Yes, you can. Look. You're just literally unscrewing stuff. It's not hard.
How's my trunk? Man, nasty ass trunk. Wow. Nice. It's not hard. I thought it was gonna be hard.
I told you it was easy. Yeah, right there. Yep. There you go. Let's put it inside of here. This. So there's. Yeah, you gotta be slow with it. Alright, keep going. Alright, down. There we go. Alright, there's another one right here. Keep going. Alright, down. Alright, now there's two right here. Okay. Now, the same on this side, same exact things. Be careful there, got it? Alright. Got it. Taking this off.
This?
Yes. I'll pry it because you're gonna hurt your nails. Look.
It's not gonna break?
No. I feel like you gotta pry it slowly.
What about the camera?
You gotta pry it here too. I can take it out. There we go. I'm gonna set this over here. You gotta push the clip kind of hard, that's the thing. There you go. From the bottom. Your thumb is that yet? There you go. Yeah, you kind of like pry it out. It's a little hard, so you're gonna, there you go.
¿Por qué no estoy cambiando? Luce moderna. Oh, She said, why am I doing this?
Line it up. More to the right. More to the right. right there. Push it in. Here, here, snap.
I knew that was a joke.
Same thing. The wires are in. Yeah, line up all the holes inside.
This is dirty ass strong. You connected the camera?
Say again?
You connected the camera?
Yeah, I connected all of it. Yes.
What was that? Hey! Wow. How do I do that?
Do it one more time.
Huh?
Do it one more time. Yeah, it's good.
I need to wash my car now.
Well, if you guys wondered how the V4 taillights look on a white car, here we go. Any comments?
Coquito. Alcohol. I like them, they're nice. I just need to get like, right? The bottom ones?
Yeah,
Yeah, so they can look better.
they're red right now.
Yeah, but they're gonna look black, so. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below.
Just give you an overview of her car again, what we did. We did the ambient lights. I gave her the pink seats, and then we did these lights under here. You can see only one is working on this side because for some reason that side broke, but we're gonna replace it. And that's pretty much it. There's more to come on her car. Like we had one issue with this side, which I'm gonna fix that tomorrow if Honda has a piece, and then we're gonna figure out the reflector situation and whatever else is gonna happen. Hopefully at this year this car should look different. Okay, so if you guys did like the videos, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next one.